Hi there, this is the video tutorial on how to use my salon inventory checklist. So if you have a hair or nail salon and you are getting started and you want to furnish your new salon, or if you just want to count how much inventory you have for tax purposes, or if you just want to keep track of what supplies you want to purchase um, to replenish in your salon, then this is a perfect spreadsheet for you. Okay, so at the top, I've got a place for you to put the name. You can double click in there and write the salon name. You can put your address in there, and then the inventory value. This calculates everything for you. So it adds everything up for you if you're trying to find out what your inventory value is for tax purposes. It adds it all up. So everything that's in these columns that say value, it adds it up for you. Okay, so I've got it all organized based on area. So this is the entryway section. So everything that you would need for your entryway, you could put here. So if you've got a welcome sign, reception desk, chair, magazines, that sort of thing, that's in here. So you can uncheck it if you want. So just check the little boxes, check them off if you're done. And then another thing you could do is this is editable and customizable. So you can double click in here and you can write something else, whatever you want. The quantity, so if you've got 1 or 3, and then the price that you purchased it for was $10, then it's going to give a value for 30. So as you put that in there, this number is going to climb. So let's just watch this number here. So it's at 6560. If you do it at $100, it's going to jump. Okay. All right, so let me undo that, make it pretty. All right, so next we've got a tools section. So anything from cutting, scissors, blow dryer, flat iron, everything that I could think of, I put in here. You can change things out however you want it. These headings you can change out too, so just double click in here and write something else. Anything you want, you can totally change up these little headings. Okay, we've got equipment for, shampooing, laundry basket. I put in the laundry room area in here as well, just because I knew that there was a place for, the white towels and stuff like that that you would need. So I put that in there, a hair color bar, stuff like that, and wax machine, wax sticks, wax warmer, stuff like that. And then at the bottom here, I put supply just because, there's a little bit of room to add a few extra items if you want to. Replenishables, I made a little drop down here for, if it was low stock, no stock, or in stock. So you could just drop down and you know, choose that status if you want. So we've got paper towels, gloves, laundry soap for washing the towels, more gloves, clips, tea and snacks for guests, nail polish, and stuff like that. So there's a bunch of room to write anything for your replenishables. And then your actual products, so if you've got like hairspray, things that you would put in the front to sell, I put a brand in here because you may want to have like, 3 different shampoos from one brand and then 3 different shampoos from another. So that way you can just figure out what needs to be restocked when it needs to be restocked. All right, so we're going down to this next row here. So this is underneath the first. You've got a place for nails. So if you're doing manicures, you've got, this is like, I set it up for if you were setting up your salon and you needed to furnish it. You've got chairs and stools. If you don't want to do that, and if you just wanted to keep up with, things that you need to buy over and over again, dipping powders, oils, that stuff, I put that in there as well. So let me just bring this down so you can see some numbers. Oh, that didn't work, did it? Okay, there's some numbers for you. Hair equipment, mirrors, carts, trays, mixing bowls, and then a shopping list. I put that in here too if you wanted to, things that you needed to restock in your salon. And then I put a section down here for nail polish. So if you've got a billion different colors of nail polish, there's a place for you to put that, the brand, the type, and the quantity, and the value. So again, everything in the value adds up at the top. So that's how this works. It's super easy. Yeah, so I hope this helps you. And then the README section, that is just for the link that I'm going to have when this video is done. The link's going to go here so you can watch this video again. If you wanted to print this out, you could. So just uncheck all of your boxes here. Go to File, Print. Anything else, let me know. If you found me on YouTube, feel free to click on the link in the description below to buy this spreadsheet. I have all sorts of inventory, income, expenses, bookkeeping, budgeting, lots of fun things. So feel free to check out my shops. I've got one on Etsy and I've got a website, savvyandthriving.com. All right, thanks guys. I hope you have a good day. Bye.